Hey friends, in this video, you will see one of our apartment renovation project in Paris. The objective of this video is to show you how carefully we plan and execute our renovation projects step by step. This project included different trades. It included the demolition, repairs, tiling, soundproofing of one wall, installation of parquet floor in some area near the kitchen tiles, and the painting. The first stage of this project was the demolition. We had to demolish the wall between the kitchen and the living room, and also the floor of the existing kitchen, and make it ready for the new tiles. Then, in the bedroom, we had to soundproof one wall so that noise does not come from the neighbor's apartment. We used special gypsum boards for this purpose. At the next stage, walls were repaired and made them ready for the painting. Once the job, which may produce the dust, was over, we installed the tiles in the kitchen area. There were some parquets missing next to the tiles. We installed the parquets on this area. Then, the whole floor was renovated. At the final stage, we finalized the painting. Job was done, and the apartment handed over to the client. If you have a renovation project and you need information, feel free to contact us for professional advice.